Again, I'm back with again something new to be uh, what to say, discuss over maybe. I don't know. Let's get into the business. So now, suppose we were working till now in this paragraph tag, the locust lorem, that is, yeah. And if you remember from the initial lectures, I also said that let us kind of cut and paste, copy basically this again and lorem and all, press tab, and you again get some text in the editor Sublime. Now हमने क्या बोला, पहली बार हिंदी बोल दिया. I'll switch back to English though somehow because the language is in English. It kind of makes sense. Yeah. So now a new tag is gonna be. अरे यार ये क्या हो गया? Tag. ये क्या हो गया? Edit. Yeah, it is back. A new tag is gonna get introduced. So suppose again some portion of text I take, and then before it I write this A. This is the link tag, the A tag. In that portion basically, before this portion and after this portion I write this. But this is probably the introduction to the attribute tags. This is probably the first kind of attribute tag. It does have an attribute. Since in the name it is link, everybody have experience on using this on the show, on the website, that is like. So in the starting you write A, and there's something called href, the attribute name. Don't get confused. And the name is always a string. Now understand it this way, it can be a local string like about the info on your website, about that HTML, something like this, and after that there's a text, and then you close the A. If you write like this, what happens in your web browser? There was the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph with some HM distance. Suppose this portion was given the A tag, so this will become kind of blue by default. When you refresh, it might take a refresh. When you refresh, it will become blue, and when you click on it, if this is the command that you wrote, that I just taught you, then in this, I think we named it Shriram 6. In this tab only, it will go to the page of your website about that HTML. If this is what we have done, another thing that we can do, generally this local kind of websites are not something to be linked here, so we generally link some external websites. So what we write is like this: a href, the http reference, that's what it means, equals some http colon backslash www.google.com, and then there's the text, then you close the A. If this is what you wrote in the web browser, when you will click, then again you have to refresh, and then you go here and click this again, the blue thing. Then in the same tab yet again, if you wrote this command this time, then in this same tab it will open the Google web browser that we all know. Got it? But many times when we are opening external websites, we don't open it on the same tab. We want to open it on a new tab here. So for that, what we do, this kind of attribute is another attribute is used, which is the target attribute. Just after the string you give a space, blank space, then you write here इधर इस स्ट्रिंग के बाद स्पेस दो और नया एट्रीब्यूट लिखो टारगेट, और वो भी एक स्ट्रिंग है, न्यू टैब की होती है अंडरस्कोर ब्लैंक, फिर ये एंगर ब्रैकेट ये बोल। ऐसा करने से अब ये जो गूगल है ये इधर ना खुल के इधर खुलेगा नए टैब में। दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट। So this is all about the A tag, the link tag. Yeah.